Ghana entertainment industry. Eja. Eja. A boy, naboko there. I'm on for tag me say Andy na bhimfest 10 years anniversary of course wa Crossport Stadium. Again I make come for home because I come here and say Stonebwoy is supporting the fans and so mon chante say show no enye free show. No free show. No free show. Adia eye me yakese e was a video na air trending no ho nie. Wo hwe enra preparation a ekomu ene wo hwe like over the months. Preparation a Stonebwoy aye towards this event na. Me therefore enye ehho aseda any no free show. Enye ehho trend any no free show. What's the enka kra? Say me di me 10th anniversary. My idea be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Na 10th edition no. Me ye na yanka bibia se bi me protect se ade na me ye no. Enye free. Omo mu wura mu no. Omu tua sika. Eja. Na eja. No eja. Eja. Say unye creative person a on sa nyoma wo ya ekos no wan hwe ya onte ase adwuma Stonebwoy ye no enunti empedifo sisi wanya bibia mo ase a si enyae mo ne kro no wo hwe Stonebwoy show a obo wa akra ya no free show ana after the show no after 10 years preparation no ye kan wasem Eja. No. And you may be any right. And you may be any right. Our Ghana entertainment industry. And you may be your right. Also, I say we may talk about I think say every time piano. I was me repeating no. Oma beye kantan ewo ye artist ni mu bi mo so any some media houses any PR positions in your mano. Omunim anything about art. I'm telling you before God and man. And with the emotions and the edijuma omudi. To me, they don't even understand how the creative energy works. Stonebwoy is a creative person. Stonebwoy. Remember some no be this year, 2025, Stonebwoy aye interviews bear 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. Menya 100% with the numbers. But Stonebwoy men can say Stonebwoy ye interviews be brave. Interviews now Stonebwoy aye ni nyina no. O preachy ade bi. Ade a Stonebwoy e preachy ene say fans no attempt didie fans no attitude towards the artist no. Fans no attitude. Fans no bad attitude no. Ye nyai. Wako radio stations, wako different podcasts so oba London asem we oka ho asem. Oko Jamaican interview bi a me share ye oka sa de no. Oni some bloggers bi ni podcast platforms bi atena se oka sa de no. Current one oko UTV oko kan the same thing. Say fans no energy no. Artists no enyumu film ma artists no share chire e ma artists no instigate fans no e ma omunye dirty e wo public empanimfo say otonfo ba bia obo ho kan no na kan ye wo ho me I don't look things from fans perspective. Me that is not my style. There be me 100% creative person. And until I vibe on a creative energy. Say me way Stonebwoy and I say me share and some Stonebwoy always ne peer free ni about fans na time the DNA wow fans attack ni sa me belonging to this camp, me belonging to this movement, me belonging to this musician no. Eyade has Stonebwoy. Nemo empanifo say sunsumu pe nanso honam emre. Dodo no omudo Stonebwoy no I think say omuko to dwani no mo bompaya. Omon kai Stonebwoy e was ade no. Say papa. Stonebwoy benya na oye musician. Na onye fighter. Stonebwoy obenya na oye on say Stonebwoy vibe on creative energy. But that side na abeka Stonebwoy hono. Who read the diplomatic condition of Stonebwoy enu masema. Ne kra ankasa mpe. Ye wade bi wo okra mpe o, but uye mistake environment no ebe mo vibe to sa ade na okra mpe no. Enu sa situation ni mu ana Stonebwoy. Asema making Stonebwoy share content obe hu say no Bonah e deep. No free show. No free show. No free show. No free show. Say no krese sa video no. Enye AI Stonebwoy call back. No sa kwhwe sa de na be ne kra ya. Asema make upa market on the wall. Sa video na wa bontina. Eye no free show. No say ye no kra because now no AI na aba ne no ma ye ne de ehu. Na mom say ye no krese sa de ne koso a. Say Stonebwoy ekotena se na ohwe ni show we na ohun sa de na be ne ya papa. Because anyoma Stonebwoy prepare ye no. And yet, this kind of energy. Which is show ni bia. You can tell, say, Stonebwoy was in a different element, in a very creative element. Mintimi who san crofona etwa ne ho ahia no. Omu nim anything about art o said menti ase. Menti ase. Ayaw. One thing is I am about no free show video na air trending in ye. Say musician be a event for 10 good years. Not the 10th anniversary no. Or be a free show. Say amount for mra. Emehenia why ye amount formation in Sanu Juma over the past 10 years. Metaphor way and huna na se pai. You so many shows amount for calling for free. Ebi a Stonebwoy entimi enya sponsorship ebetima ma na bie stadium no free ama obia aboy enu nti no sabi se wa nya sa nyoma no na hu se okay standard na ebi apese de kɔ no eka wo bɔ no ebi a fans ne support wa aboy ense da nya me hu the big deal about this. Say artists who from being so yeah, maybe artists no ne marketing team ne solid. Omu timi rewrem, omu proposals ne sebi ekwan omu fa so eye omu nyoma no. Omu timi nya sponsorship eba. No mu say no, show we no. Sebi sponsorship na yenya no. Ye pese e fans no. Omu di omu sika show moto no mu di tobi bidi. No mu betrans no mu enjoy show no. Aboy eno so no. Ensashi. At the end of the day, eye entertainment. So who says sabi your fans no was cat no bet me tua that amount na be show. Boy, so mo ba after such performance no so a good PR engineer. Many sure say we will vibe on no free show. That time we can content creators in wow the creative part of your 10 years journey. And about no free show. Based on no free show video na air trending no. It will force people to say, you need that Wale effect to push your agenda. Because aboy, me count team ni one as a creative person. Come on, catch us aboy. A human baby, why year free? Any baby, I be drew no. So who say, a art ni na do drew some pen so na ene any DM before. Come on, punko to you when you catch us say, a art ni nkwa. Ma art ni nkwa nye human. My talent in kwanya adwuma no enka asem bia don't bring any remember boy kutia bia no slander enya kutia because okra no creative energy no emma kwan to do those things baby abeko bia no u preach say saade ni nyai enu nti no mebu nkotodwe ne ma pawacho no maka cho say da bi senior na de makruwa yi empire honko video no started say air trending no. Now, ya nyinya amount for so mo so kase omu ba show ni bi omu ba ni abie gate no mu remu for free. Eya. No, Eya. Me, and I'm here Shatta Wale, any Samini. Performance, of course, was Samini experience now. Eh. Eya. Eya. No, and I'm share Samini, any Shatta. It's not one stage. Now, mu kissy. Now, we want bro man, ekosona Charlie. Ema mete nyoma biase enra. Ema mete nyoma biase se wale ntoko bebra oku ni nyina no ade ba kope enti no oku. O fight onu ankasa ne nkrofo ama omani abomo so se he. Enkrofo na momo de mo ho komo omu no omu mpe yi enu nti momo yen forget saa enkrofo no na yenye yaade. Sebe yo mo no ebe edi respect ebe mayen. My dear, let me tell you point blank. Ansana obi bedroom pempen so obi ti say Stonebwoy. Ewo Ghana music industry mu no. Eja. But it's all good. It's all good. I don't think me the message ni dodo na mu Stonebwoy no. Uko to dwanim na obompa ya. Ka che na Nyankopon say o ma Stonebwoy ahoden a sabi subliminals nkete obenya ho ahoden na sabi waja because your environment na ye free mu no akuti anim ni wura e o Ghana enu ti no say Stonebwoy preach love preach peace preach unity preach respect. I think say aboy una wo preach a ma ye hu ade ni free mu ma ye hu sa de no enfree mu anu nti ekina bi kura no sabi so obi ye bibia ye betima ba abontia be bash ni pan say yo chade wo ye no aboy uko UTV o se sa de no ompe aboy na sa de no ade ye me ya ne se o ka asem no na sabi UPR ete ho UPR ne Frankie 5 etna say 1-on-1 Frankie 5 obi a wadi radio ni media chi more than 700 years. Sabi Stonebwoy ebeye show. You know the history between Stonebwoy and Shatta. Now ubusa ni PR official PR say na show no Shatta bebe bia na. Eya. UPR so ntimi nhyɛ ne ho so. Aboy. Ye de be kompayem. Me sa na me hu no. On say ade bi o ha. Wo de wano ka enye yi. Ba so do nipa na. Wo de kompayem no aka che na Nyankopon say papa ade we na me nua ne kra pe. Enu nti no. Papa huni mobo. Tie avoida oh there be. Show we there ebi a Shatta ye busy ontimi mabi. Na ma movie on. Madam PR na Shatta Wale beba mu show ni bi. Ko he no wotem pentin kwa ana live band ana hwan ana live life ne ekobo ne ho. Wa hu de me chew no. Sa nyoma we mu no. Sa uni utim kwa abonten ko keka nsem we. Na aboy wa wo sa betena se. Ah. Senior. Super. Eya. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. Onyankopon shao na ontin anim chiro. Happy Christmas.